So thanks for having me, Livy. Just tell me a little bit about yourself, your history with Alteryx.
Sure. Well, for your audience, my name is Olivia Duane. I am Chief Customer Officer and also one of the co-founders of Alteryx, based in Irvine, California, here in the U.S. And Adrian and I are enjoying a beautiful Sunday afternoon in Colorado.
Fantastic. So tell us a little bit more about the Alteryx platform and what are the different users of the platform?
Oh gosh. Our user base globally is truly a continuum of users, going from people that are trapped in Excel hell, excuse my language, who are looking for a better way to be able to deliver what I believe are simple to complex analytics, and that's why I refer to it as a continuum, because it could be something as simple as, I need to join these 3 databases to be able to answer a simple question for my boss, all the way up to company leaders that are truly changing the culture of analytics within their own organization, because they know that as a data-driven organization, they're going to be able to increase the value of decisions that are made, make those decisions more effectively and more efficiently. So it really is a continuum of users.
Great. And what about, you see the rise of citizen data scientists now that actually use your platform to achieve business outcomes?
Yes.
In a very short span of time.
Yeah. And the citizen data scientist is someone who we see them all the time. They may not necessarily have a PhD or a degree in mathematics, as the name may imply. It's analysts that are truly solving those what used to be unanswerable questions for their organization. And as a citizen data scientist, they are willing to take on that challenge. They're empowered with the technology that they use, and they're trusted by their organization to understand the value and the complexity of the data that they're working with. So they're able to carry that moniker of citizen data scientist because they are answering those tougher questions, higher level analytics that are directly impacting the organization.
Fantastic. And given that I'm from a CPA background and a chartered accounting background, do you want to talk to some of the interesting use cases that you've seen CPAs do?
Oh gosh, we have seen a explosion in the tax and audit area of finance departments globally, across companies literally from any size. Tax and audit individuals and really finance teams in general have taken on Alteryx because, as I said just a few minutes ago, Excel is not working for them anymore. The data's getting bigger, the questions are getting harder. They don't want to get their degrees in copy-paste. They are ready for something that really enables them to do their jobs and use the skills that they have to be true analysts and financial recommenders instead of just
data managers.
Exactly.
And that's really interesting as well. And given your experiencing all these different customers, I guess where to from here? You've seen your platform grow, and now with Alteryx Connect and Promote, essentially you have the data governance element built in, as well as a model productionization built in.
Well, and where we're going, we just spoke about the impact on finance teams that Alteryx is having, but what we're truly seeing, because analytics is going on literally in every single department within an organization. Analytics is no longer just reserved for the finance team or the tax and audit team. It truly is impacting HR, human resources, sales operations, marketing operations, supply chain, transportation. It truly is an end-to-end requirement for any organization because every single team within a company is trying to get to that analytic insight faster. And so what we're seeing from a scale perspective or from an adoption perspective of analytics is that end-to-end across every team within a company being able to make better decisions faster and be able to turn the value of the data that they have as an organization into insight that's going to help them drive. drive the organization faster and farther.
Yeah, fantastic stuff. So, in summary, it's basically becoming a social experience, not just reserved for the quants.
Oh, absolutely. It almost becomes like a challenge within teams for these analysts or citizen data scientists where they'll take on, I mean, we hear customers talking about running hackathons where they're powered by Alteryx, or they're running certification programs and they challenge each other. Who's going to get certified in Alteryx first? Who's going to get the next advanced Alteryx certification? Or they'll take on the weekly challenges that we post to see who can solve them faster, because then it's not about you're in finance and I'm, say, in sales operations. It's about the fact that we're both Alteryx users and we can get our job done and we speak the same language. Even though you're in finance and I'm sales operations, we're speaking the same language. We're solving problems using similar data across the organization. So it creates a definite camaraderie, which then empowers the organization to become that analytically driven culture that'll help the company continue to grow and move forward.
Fantastic stuff, Olivia. And I once again commend all of you guys who at Alteryx, even bringing the nano degree program, the Alteryx nano degree, really, it's helped me personally a lot as well.
Yeah.
And I'm sure it'll continue to help lots of customers.
Are you Alteryx certified?
Yes.
There you go.
All good. Thanks a lot, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. Cheers.
Great to see you.
Yeah.